Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I created using this collection called My Favorite Fall by Lori Whitlock from Echo Park, and it is so cute. So I made a few things here. I wasn't going to use this at first because I was like, I have a lot of like these frames and tags that go with this collection, but you know what, I could use these with a bunch of different collections. Doesn't have to be this one. And I do still have some scraps left in here that I can use for another project. So I still have like some cut aparts from this collection. I have some of these smaller scraps, but then I also have a few of these larger scraps. So I have this sheet and this one. And then I have two full-size sheets also. So there's this one and that one. And then I have the whole entire sticker sheet. So I could still make something else with this and maybe try to use up a pack of this. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna make with that yet, but we shall see. So let me show you guys what I did create and let's get started. All right, so with this collection, I made some gratitude journals, and guys, these are so cute. So my other ones had sold out in my shop, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a few more fall-themed gratitude journals. I have two Christmas ones that can be used for whatever, like they don't have to be used for just gratitude. They could be used as a Christmas gift idea list, and they could be used as like your favorite recipes or writing down a list of what you want to make. It could be used as a list of what people got you kind of thing, so you know kind of what to get them and how much money you should spend. I mean, I don't know if everybody does that and keeps track of like what somebody got me, now I have to return the favor and like that's how much I need to spend, or if they just keep that in their mind, or if they just don't follow that rule at all. Some people do, some people don't, so it's really up to you. But yeah, so I have Christmas ones, and now I restocked my shop with some fall ones because those were gone. So for fall, you could use it as a gratitude journal, you could use it as an October daily, you could just add in photos and memories and whatnot. Like there's so many ways to use them. It's really just like a half-size composition notebook and with 3 dividers, so you could use them for whatever you want. So that's what I used, and I'm gonna go through the 3 that I created. So here's one called Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. I added in this beautiful like lace trim with some gold foil paper, some gemmies. I did my stitching on the cut aparts and got this cute little mushroom. There's a bunch of fun stuff peeking from the top. Here's the back side of this one. But yeah, let's go through that. So when you open this one up, looks like this. Here I have a cut apart that just says the most beautiful season of all. You could add in another photo in there or whatnot, or add a photo on the back and still have the cut apart. I made this cute little bow with some glitter ribbon, and I just put it on a paper clip. And this is also your first divider. And then you have like a ton of space, a ton of writing space, or add photos, decorate some more, whatever you want to do, or just use as a gratitude journal, which is how I would probably like use these. Actually, no, that's a lie. Maybe I would use it as like an October daily because I just love fall activities. And another way that you could do it is like every year you could document like, you know, you could have this over 3 years. So one section could be for 1 year for 2023. Another section could be 2024 and then 2025 and all your like fall activities. You could also do it that way. But anyway, second divider here, I have this tag that looks like this, and you could write on the back. And I also have a plain white tag that's a little bit larger. You could use it throughout, like you could add it to a page and stick it down, however you want to do it, or you could put it into some of the other pockets. It's really just kind of up to you, but they're here in case you want to use them. So that is that second tab here. And then you've got more pages here, and then the third tab has this cute little like button, and I'm gonna link the place that I got these buttons from, but I got them a while ago actually. Somebody sent to me, I think I want to say it was Jovi Creates, but I will link them for sure in the description box below of where I got these fall buttons from. And I just added a paper clip and then covered it up with some gold cardstock on the back, so you can't see like that backing. But yeah, this one just says leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and it's just so cute. So that is the third divider. And then you get to the back here. This is all nicely covered up, and I have another cut apart in here, and then just like a plain kind of white card that you can add throughout your journaling or your photos, whatever you want, but it's just kind of chilling there in that pocket. So this one is available in my shop, and so are all these other ones. But here's another one. So this one says autumn, pumpkins, hay rides, fresh apples, and sweaters. I've got these cute little like chipboard pieces here with a leaf and an acorn. I had the mushroom on the other one. Some more gemmies. I've got that ribbon, and they're just so cute. And here's the back side. And then this one, you open up, you got a cut apart here that just says fall greetings with this little pocket. You've got that bow paper clip, and that's your first divider. All the writing space here. Here's your second divider. You've got the white tag and a colored tag. And a little pocket here, and then your third divider with this button that just says fall. And then the last back, you've got that plain white, and then another cut apart that just is my favorite color is autumn. And there is a tutorial for this. I find it hard to follow, so like I wrote down my own measurements, but the original tutorial that I followed was many, many years ago, or a few years ago at this point. Oh my goodness, I forgot her name too. Oh, Ash, I want to say it's Ashley Ulster. I think that's her name. I will have her linked down below also, where you guys could find how to make these. But what they do is use these half-size composition books. These are from Walmart, so I'm gonna have these linked down below as well in case you guys want to get some of these composition books. And they're already cut down half size for you. If you do not have these at your Walmart, you can take a regular size composition book, bring it to like a shop where they could cut it for you, and then you could do that also. But these are already kind of like cut down to size, and I'll have that link down below where you guys could find them in Walmart in case you guys want to check if your store has them. And then lastly, I made this one that says autumn is in the air. I love all the goodies like peeking out from the top. This one's got a pumpkin, like a foiled kind of chipboard pumpkin here, gemmies, the ribbon. Here's the back. All right, so when you open this one up, this one says apples. You got this apples cut apart. You could put in some more in there. You've got that beautiful gold paper clip bow that I made on this first divider. You've got your pages. Second divider with this cute little tag, and then a white tag also. And that's your pocket. Then you get to your third divider. You've got this button clip that says fall, and then your back page with another pocket, another cut apart, and the white kind of mat. So feel free to use these however you want. They are listed and available in my shop, and I'm gonna have everything I mentioned in the description box down below where you guys could check it out. So you guys could create your own if you want, a tutorial, the composition books, the collection I used, the buttons where I got those, the ribbon I used to make my bows. I'll have everything in the description box down below, so check it out. All right guys, I hope you liked this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.